Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Profit Chapter. So today in this chapter we will learn about the order placements in Zerodha using Zerodha Connect. So this is the basic documentation, and in this we have this API known as place order. So by calling this place order we can buy or sell stocks or any instrument like futures. So let me go to this Kite Connect and we will understand it more deeply. So this is basically a stock and we can buy or sell, and we just when I click we get this pop-up, and it contains lot of information like the market is of NSE or BSE, exchange is of BSE or NSE, the trading symbol is in fee, then the transaction type can be buy or sell, quantity, product, order type. So a lot of things are there. So here you can see product can be regular, cover, iceberg, and order type can be market, limit, SLM. So all of these things are covered in this API. So let us go to the implementation part. So here like we have started a session and we are calling this place order, and here we are passing the variety as AMO, and variety of can be of four types: AMO, cover order, regular, bracket order. And exchange is of two types, like lot of types are there. For NSE and BSE stocks we use this. For future and options we use NFO. And trading symbol we need to pass like TCS in fee. And transaction type can be buy or sell, like here for example I can show you, it can be buy or sell. Quantity can be one or two or whatever amount of stocks we want to buy. And product is also of five parts like MIS, normal, cover order, B order, cash and carry. And order type is of four types: market, SL, limit, SLM. So like today is Saturday and this is a non-trading day, so we are using this AMO order. So we will call this method and this returns the order ID. So what is order ID? Suppose I have done a transaction of AMO, and you can see that if you go to the info, every order has a unique value, like this is the order ID. And when we call this method place orders, it returns this order ID. So let me run this method place AMO order. Stock name can be TCS and quantity can be 1, and order type can be, suppose we need to create a kite object. Suppose we are creating a sell order and we'll print the order ID. Let's run this one. Okay, this new login is not defined. Okay. Okay, let's now run this one. There's no object as pro. Okay, sorry for this one. PMIS. So this is the order ID, and let's see this order is getting what punched or not. Let us refresh. So we have placed the TCS order, and the order ID printed is ending with 4164. Let us go to this info. This is the 4164. You guys, you can see that we have able to place an order in Zerodha using the Kite API called as place order. So it's interesting, guys. So if you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to this channel if you want these regular videos related to algo trading. Thank you.